Hello children, welcome to aimsindia's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, lines and angles topic we are going to discuss. So in our previous video, we have completed some part, children. So regarding line segment and regarding angle, we have completed some part. So regarding directions also already we have discussed. Degrees, minutes, seconds completed. And some examples also we have discussed. So up to third question we have completed, children. Now let's start with next question. Fourth question, children. 1 minute. So there are markings as shown on a domestic appliance. There are some markings shown on a domestic appliance. Through how many degrees does the pointer turn when it moves? When it moves. So here they have given some markings here. They have named them as off, very cold, cold, cool, normal, warm, hot, very hot. It's a situation describing the nature of any hot drink, and different conditions are there. Based on these markings, based on these turnings, we have to measure the angle. So in A question, clockwise from off to cold means this hand which is in the clock, it is moving from off to cold, this through this arc, or it has moved this much amount of arc length. So what is the angle made by this arc length? Suppose normally we used to have 12, 6, 9, 12, 12, 3, 6, 9. Normally we used to have these numbers here in the place of these words. Means it is moving from off to cold, means indirectly it is moving from 12 to 3. The angle between 12 and 3 is 1/4 part of complete angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. Next, anti-clockwise. Means clockwise means it is if it moves from 12 to 3, it is called clockwise. If it moves in opposite direction, then it is called anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise from hot to warm. Anti-clockwise means in this direction from hot to warm. It has moved from hot to warm. So this is the arc length covered in this rotation. Now the question is, what is the angle? Previously in the clock we used to have between 12 to 3, we used to have here 1, here 2, 3 complete parts. 1, 2, 3. The region between 12 to 3, normally it is divided into three parts. But in this picture, we have only 2 parts between 12 and 3. Or between hot and normal, we have only 2 parts. Or the circle altogether, the circle or the clock altogether divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. It is divided into 8 parts. So that each part will be equal to 360 by 8, which is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have to find the rotation from hot to warm. So it's equal to 1 part, which is nothing but 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Next. So very hot to cool. Very hot. Clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Very hot. Very hot. This is very hot. And this is cool. Cool. Moving in clockwise direction. Moving in clockwise direction from very hot to cool. So the angle, this is the angle formed, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Means 4 into 45. 4 into 45, it is equal to 180 degrees, which is a straight angle. 180 degrees, which is a straight angle. So next, clockwise. Clockwise from cold to warm. From cold to warm. From cold to warm. Clockwise. So this angle we have to consider 1 part, 2 part, 3 parts. We have 3 parts. 3 into 45 degrees. 3 5 times 15, 3 4 times 12, 135 degrees. So answer 135 degrees. 135 degrees. 135 degrees. So next. Next, anti-clockwise from very cold to very hot. From very cold to very hot. From very cold. Very cold means this line, this marking, to very hot. This line, very cold to very hot. But in what direction? Anti-clockwise means in this direction, reverse direction. Only this angle. Clockwise means this total angle will come. But anti-clockwise means only this angle we have to consider, which is equal to 2 parts. Means which is equal to 90 degrees. Which is equal to 90 degrees. So next. Clockwise from warm to cool. From warm to cool. In what direction? Clockwise direction. So equal to 1 part, 2 parts. Means which is equal to 90 degrees. So like that, the rotation may be in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. We can find the angles. Next, based on the same picture, we have one more question here. Which setting is the pointer facing after it turns 45 degrees clockwise from normal? Means from normal, it has to turn in clockwise direction through 45 degrees. Through 45 degrees. So means through 1 part. So if it moves through 1 part from normal, then it will be at warm. Then it will be at marking warm. So it will be at warm setting. Next, 135 degrees anti-clockwise from off. From off in anti-clockwise direction, 135 degrees. 45 degrees first part, 45 degrees second part, 45 degrees third part. 3 parts equal to 135 degrees. From off it is moving means then it will be at warm position. Then this second answer also, it will be at warm position. Next, 360 degrees anti-clockwise from hot. No need to go through any diagram, no need to go through the clock. Just simply we can tell 360 degrees means it will make one complete rotation. After making one complete rotation, it has started from hot marking. It will be at same position. It will be at hot. Next, 270 degrees clockwise from cold. 270 degrees from cold clockwise direction, 270 degrees means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 6 parts into 45 degrees equal to 270 degrees. After moving 270 degrees, means after completing 6 parts, it will be at off position. It will be at off position. So, it will be at off position. So, it will be at off position. Okay, children. Next. So, the following questions are related to clock. Answer them. So, here, question A. When the seconds hand has moved from 12 to 6, how many degrees has it turned through? In wall clock, the hands of the clock always moves in clockwise direction. So if they have not mentioned, we have to consider that it is moving in clockwise direction. When the seconds hand moves from 12 to 6, the second hand from here, it has moved to 6. It has moved to 6. Then how many degrees has it turned through? So here they have given only one hand here. If it is at 12, from 12 it is moving to 6. So this total angle it is making, which is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Actually, sorry children, this is actually this is these are the hours actually. These are the minutes. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. In between minutes, we will be having seconds. No, they are not asking 1 second to 12 seconds. Like that, we should not think. We have to think the second hand is at 12, which is already marked on the clock. Now, second has moved up to 6, which is already marked on the clock. So, the angle made by the clock is 180 degrees. You should not get confused with the normal second, minutes, hours. That is one thing. So answer is 180 degrees. Answer is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So next. Next. So when the seconds hand has moved from 5 to 8, means it is at 5. Previously it is at 5. Now it has moved to 8. It has moved to 8. It has moved to 8. So already we have learned in our concepts, between these two numbers angle is 30 degrees. 5 to 6 30 degrees. 6 to 7 30 degrees. 7 to 8 30 degrees. Means 3 complete parts, which is equal to 90 degrees. Answer 90 degrees. Next, the second hand is at 10. It turns through 90 degrees. What figure does it reach? Means what digit does it reach? It is at 10. Direction they have not mentioned. We have to take it as clockwise. It has moved 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. After moving 90 degrees, it will be at 1. Next, what is the time on the clock when the hour hand moves clockwise 60 degrees from 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. Hour's hand, it is at 5. Hour's hand, it is at 5. It is moving 60 degrees from 5 o'clock. From 5 o'clock, it is moving 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. This will be 7. So it will be at 7 o'clock. It will be at 7 o'clock. Next. So 180 degrees from 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock, it is moving 180 degrees. Means 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. It will be at 4 o'clock. It will be at 4 o'clock. Next, 270 degrees from 12 o'clock. From 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, because 270 means 9 into 30. 30 parts it has to cover. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be at 9. It will be at 9, or this part equal to 90, this part equal to 90, this part equal to 90, 270. Or 270 is 3 by 4th of 360. So you can directly take 9 because it is starting from 12 o'clock. That's why directly we can take 9. Next year. So through how many degrees does the minutes hand of a clock turn in? Turn in. We have to assume this is minutes hand. We have to assume this is minutes hand. Now they are asking how many degrees does the minutes hand of a clock turn in 1 minute? In 1 minute, because this is 12, this is 0, this is 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minutes. Like that, this will be 55 minutes, 56, 57, 60 minutes. Overall, it will be divided into 60 equal parts. Each will be equal to 1 minute. So 360 degrees by 60 equal parts. Each part will be equal to 6 degrees. So in 1 minute, it will turn an angle of 6 degrees. In 8 minutes, it will turn an angle of 8 into 68, 48 degrees. In half an hour means 30 minutes. It will turn an angle of 30 into 60, 180 degrees. 30 into 60, 180 degrees. In 3 by 4 hour means it is equal to 45 minutes. It will turn an angle of 45 into 6, 6 5 is 30, 6 4 is 24, 27, 270 degrees. In 1 hour, it will make one complete rotation, which is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. In 1.5 hour, 1 hour plus half an hour. In 1 hour, it will rotate 360 degrees plus half an hour means it will come back to its original position, and in half an hour, in 30 minutes, it will move 180 degrees. In 30 minutes, it will move 180 degrees. If we compare initial position to final position, the answer is 180 degrees. If they ask total rotation, then it is 540 degrees. Then it will be 540 degrees. Next, through how many degrees does the hour hand of a clock turn in 1 minute? In 1 hour, it will turn the hour's hand. Hour's hand, suppose if it is at 12, after 1 hour, it will be at 1. Means in 1 hour, it will cover a part of only 30 degrees. Because the clock is divided into 12 hours, 360 by 12, which is equal to 30. So hour's hand in 1 hour, it can make only 30 degrees angle. It can make only 30 degrees angle. So in 1 hour, it makes 30 degrees angle. In 1 hour, it makes 30 degrees angle. So 1 hour means in 60 minutes, it makes 30 degrees angle. Now they are asking 1 minute. In 1 minute, it can make how much angle? 30 by 60 equal to half degree. So in 10 minutes, it can make how much angle? 30 by 10 equal to 3 degrees. In 30 minutes, it can make how much angle? 30 by 30 equal to 1 degree. 30 by 30 equal to 1 degree. In 2 hours, it can make how many angles? In 1 hour, 30 degrees means 2 hours. 2 into 30. 60 degrees angle it can make. Next one. So find the number of degrees of turn when we turn in clockwise direction. When we turn in clockwise direction. When we turn in clockwise direction. So here, from north to east. So this is the north, east, south, west. These are the directions. In midway between them, we will be having northeast, we will be having southeast, we will be having southwest, along with that northwest. We will be having all these directions. Between north and south, angle is 90 degrees, and this midway part will be equal to 45 degrees. This complete part will be equal to 90 degrees. Like that. From north to east, north to east, north to east, how many degrees? 90 degrees. North to south means this total part, 180 degrees. North to northeast, north to northeast, this part. We have to consider in clockwise direction only, this direction. North to northeast, this smaller part, equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. And northeast to west, northeast from here to west, here, northeast to west, one part, 2 part, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, 5 into 45, 5 times 25, 5 4 times 20, 225 degrees, 225 degrees. Northwest to southeast, this is northwest, northwest to southeast, this angle, northwest to southeast, this is straight angle, 180 degrees, and northwest to southwest, in this direction, this angle 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. You can draw the picture and you can practice the questions, children. Already we have discussed so many types of questions now. You can draw the picture and you can try. Next, children, some multiple choice questions. In the given figure, a circle is divided into 2 halves. First part, second part. By the line AB. What will be the magnitude of angle AOB in each part? AOB, this angle in this part, this AOB angle in this part, how much? Total circle is 360 degrees. It is divided into 2 parts. So each part will be having 180 degrees. Either in first part or second part, the angle is 180 degrees. Next. John turns right 3 times. How many degrees does he turn through? If it is going straight, he is going straight, he has taken towards his right. Right means he will be moving 90 degrees angle. This is first time turn. Again move towards right, second time, 90 degrees. Again move towards right, third time, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So on the whole, he has moved, he has turned through an angle of 270 degrees. On the whole, he has turned through an angle of 270 degrees. But this is the starting position, this is the ending position, this is the ending position. Based on this, if you calculate, it will be equal to 90 degrees. It will be equal to 90 degrees. But they have not asked us exactly either from starting position or overall turn. So that's why 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 we are taking as the answer. But in some cases, we will get this answer also. Depends on the question. Next. A boat is sailing or moving in northeast direction. A little later, it is formed sailing south. Means north, east, northeast. Beginning it was moved. It was moving in northeast direction. But finally they have observed it is moving in south direction. So through what angle it has moved means here one part, second part, third part. Each small part equal to 45 degrees. Each small part. Equal to 45 degrees. 45, 45, 45, which is equal to 135 degrees. Which is equal to 135 degrees. Next one. The minute hand, when it moves 330 degrees from 11 o'clock, is now at. The minute hand, when it moves 330 degrees from 11 o'clock, means it is at suppose 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. It is at 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock, it has moved 330 degrees. 330 degrees in clockwise direction. 330 degrees means from 11 to 2 angle is 30 degrees. If we divide with 30, then 11 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts it has moved. It will be at 10 o'clock. Or simply we can tell 330 means 360 minus 30. Means if it has moved 360 degrees, it will be at 11 again. Means one rotation, one part back of 11. One part back of 11. 360 minus 30 means one part back of 11, which is equal to 10 o'clock. Which is equal to 10 o'clock. Next, through how many degrees does the hour hand of a clock turn in 5 minutes? So the hour's hand from 12 to 12, for moving from 12 to 1, for moving 30 degrees angle, it will take 1 hour time. In 1 hour time, it will move 30 degrees. Means in 60 minutes, it will move 30 degrees. They are asking how much it has moved in 5 minutes. So 30 into 5 by 60. 32 times 60, 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 degree. 2.5 degree. So, okay, children, remaining concepts we can learn in our next video. So, thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can also visit our website, children, aimstoday.in, for information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.